Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back again to teach you another line dance. So if you're watching this channel for the very first time, I want you to know that this is a line dance teaching channel. And what I do is take a line dance and break down the steps, step by step, and at the end of this video, you should be able to take the steps, merge the music, and do the dance. So if you like this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please follow me on my Facebook page at Let's Mess It Up, So Line Dancing. So guys, I am so excited you decided to come back. I would like to personally invite you to the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend, July 22nd through the 25th, 2021. It is a 4-day line dance weekend in New Orleans. It's theme parties, it's workshops, but please visit my website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. I'll leave it in the description box below. Read about the whole entire itinerary, the NOLA Southern Experience Line Dance Weekend. Also, while you're there, stroll down to the bottom and check out our store. We have t-shirts, we have towels. I want to thank everyone for two reasons. I want to thank everyone who supported the NOLA store. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for purchasing t-shirts, for towels. I appreciate you. I see you. Thank you. And also, all those individuals that leave comments, thank you so much. I love the feedback. Thank you so very kindly. If you or someone you know is located in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So guys, are you ready? So this next line dance I'm going to do is called Freaky Boots. And it's by Marsha and Soul Line Dancing. And that's right over here, about an hour away from us. It's in Gulfport, Mississippi. So if you watch the demo, I have to go get my boots and put my boots on to do that dance. So I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Here we go. All right. So we're going to do it on this wall here. It is a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. So I want you to roll back with your right shoulder and go right, left, right, tap. Again, 5, 6, 7. Roll back. Right, left, right. In, out, in. Then roll back to the left, left, right, left. In, out, in. 5, 6, 7, and. Right, left, right. In, out, in, left, right, left. In, out, in. Again, roll back with your right shoulder. Right, left, right. In, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Okay? From here, we're going to do it 2 times. So you go to the right, go to the left, go to the right, go to the left. 5, 6, 7. So we're going to do it 4 times. 2 times to the right, 2 times to the left. Right, left, right, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. In, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right, left, right. In, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Okay, from here, we're going to pony back. We're going to do it 4 times. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. So we go back here. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Again, right leg comes back. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Okay, so let's add that on from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. In, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right, left. Right, in, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. So the last step was your left. You're going to do a rock recover. Rock forward, recover, half turn, right, left, right. With your right, right shoulder coming back. So you're actually making a half turn. So you rock forward, rock back. Right, left, right shoulder back, right, left, right. Make sure you do the triple step. And the same thing you did on the right, you're going to do on your left. Rock, recover. Rock forward, rock back, left, right, back to the front, left, right, left. Again, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And that's pretty much the dance, okay? And you're going to start to the next wall with a quarter turn to your left. You just walk to that wall, okay? Starting back at the top. Now, let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. In, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right, left. Right, in, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right, left. Right, pony. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Rock, recover. Right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right, left. You come back here. Your right shoulder, go make a quarter turn, and you walk into that wall with your shoulder. Right, left, right. That's your new wall. When you go to the right with that right shoulder. Right, left, right. In, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right, left. Right, in, out, in. Left, right, left. In, out, in. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Rock, recover. Turn. Right, left, right. Rock, recover. Left, right, left. From here, walk into the next wall. So it's a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise. So let's start here at this wall here. So stand on this side. Let's start here so we can do it a few times, okay? And I'll give you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, turn 3, and 4, 5, 6, back, 7, next wall. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Back 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, turn 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8, and next wall, okay? And that's the dance. It's called M period, A period, S period, L period, D period, which is Marsha and Soul line dancing. The name of the song again is called Freaky Boots. The song is The Boots. The artist is Big Yayo featuring Omar Cunningham. And the choreography is Marsha, okay? Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience at our website at www.LMIUNOLA. I would love to see you there. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.